and we're going to be working on Module 2. This one is the corner drawer module. Not So Average Builder is brought to you by these great retailers. There'll be promo codes in the description below. Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder. Now we're going to do these a little different than we've done the Airbrush station and whatnot. I'm going to build it in reverse, and I'll show you why. So these are the drawers that you get. These will need glue. Only a little bit, but I'm going to glue all of it just to make sure, because it's going to have some weight and I don't want it to fall apart. All I'm going to use, what I've always used, Elmer's Glue All, is just a PVA glue. You do not have to use this particular brand. You can use any PVA glue. Arttystation recommends Gorilla Glue wood glue. It would probably do better. I've not had any issues out of this, but if you want to make sure that it's holding, use what they recommend. In the box, you get your base, your backside, 2 sides, your front, and 2 dividers. So I've already built the other 2 that I got, and that's how I learned this process. And I'm going to treat the straight drawer module the same way. So when that video comes out, it's pretty much going to be the same. Built the drawers first, but I want to show you the entire process so that you feel confident in doing it yourself. The instructions are really simple, so it is something that I'm pretty sure that anybody can do. I have 0 problems with. So we'll start off with the base. The big thing with these, go towards the back. So out of the 3 that I built, this one gave me the most problems. It wasn't the overall unit, it was the back pieces. These right here. I don't know like if it was just a CNC issue or what. It's not like it's not going to work. It will still work just fine. You just got to make sure that you use glue. Definitely use glue. I'm using PVA glue. It will work. I'm not going to beat this thing up, so I don't plan on it, falling apart. And if it does, then I'll just go get some Gorilla Wood glue, which is what Arttystation recommends. This thing is solid, so you've got your big center drawer, and you can pull your dividers out, so you can take them out completely if you want to, and use the whole drawer. It is pretty tall. Paint's in there if you wanted to. There's plenty of headroom. I've got this bag of blended turf. If I wanted to take out the dividers, I could probably fold this in here and put this in here. Once I get all of them set up, I will do a walkthrough video of all of the pieces together and how I'm going to use them. But I would say overall, if you're going to get some drawers, this is pretty epic. Now, one thing that I want to point out that the competitors don't do, I've only noticed this on the angled ones because I've not built the regular drawers yet, but you pull these out. And this is really cool. Really, really cool. If you look, well, you can't see them, but in between each drawer section, there is a little hole. And that's what these gaps here are for. If you can see down in there, there's a gap. And I thought, man, that's kind of dumb. I don't know why they did that. Until I put the drawers in, and then I realized why. If you look, the drawers are a pretty snug fit. There's not a whole lot of gap. So what happens is they get stuck in there on the competitors because there's nothing to release the air. That's where this channel comes in. This is basically like a subwoofer box. So when you pull this out, the air gets sucked through here and helps pull this out. When you push this in, the same thing. So on the competitors, again, I can't name names, but I've put drawers in and they just, like, they're snug just like this, but they don't want to come out or they don't want to go in. You have to force them. That channel right there solves that problem. Comes with the 2 drawers, or the 2 smaller drawers. Comes with 1 big center drawer, which you wouldn't need any more than that. And that's it. And you can buy just the drawer modules by themselves. But if you were to buy this right now, this is the 3 that it comes with. 1 tall drawer, 2 smaller drawers. You can actually use this as a shelf until you get drawers. There's plenty of possibilities. Just because it does not have a drawer does not mean that this is a useless waste of space. There are plenty of things. I could throw photo etch parts in here. Even with the Simpro tag on there, it only sticks out a little bit. But that's an option. But this is ASOP-02 Opera module for the corner drawers. Remember, you can get this at Arttystation.com, or in the States, even better, USAG-Gundam-store.com. Use promo code NOTSOAVERAGE to get 10% off your order for your Arttystation stuff. Now, it is on pre-order and some back order because it was so popular that everyone bought it all at once. So that should tell you also how awesome these products are. I don't see many reviews of Arttystation stuff out there, so I want to help get the word out. And that is why Arttystation sent these to me, is to help spread the word of how awesome their products are, so you guys will want to buy them. But that's all I got, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.